your story. So why don't we start with, yeah, tell me a bit about how you feel you've gone over the program.
Yeah, look, pretty good. I have to admit, I haven't been religious with the training sort of day in, day out. It's hard with the little ones, but I've been doing what I can when I can. And I've definitely noticed a big difference there. I think for me, in terms of just working on flexibility and loosening up muscles that were just previously constantly tight, has made a big difference. It's really helped with my golf, for one. I'm just finding I'm getting a bit more length and whatnot in the swing. So yeah, definitely got some good benefit there, mate.
Absolutely. Cool. And so she's all good. So in terms of before and after, you feel like they're the main takeaways. You know, you've learned a bunch of things you can use now for your mobility. It's helped things that you enjoy doing, such as your golf. And I'm sure you'll be able to continue those as well on your own into the future.
Yeah, definitely. I think probably one of the best things, I've got much better awareness now of what's going on. And when I start to feel certain things in my body, whether it's my lower back tightening up or my hammies tightening up, or, you know, my glutes or whatever, I can recognize that now. And I can just, if I'm on the golf course or if I'm at home or if I'm sitting here working or whatever, I can just jump straight into a couple of little bits and pieces here and there that'll stop that from getting worse, you know, so I can sort of manage it a lot better. So I'm no longer having these big peaks and troughs of good and bad in terms of pain and tightness and whatnot. It's a much more stable environment now. Which means I can start to explore some different movements and stuff. So yeah, it's been really good from that perspective, just that awareness and being able to jump on things and little tips and tricks to stay on top of it. Yeah,
absolutely. And generally, guys that go through the program, they've had, you know, regular sessions or regular communication with the team. So like I said, the awareness of even how you stand with your posture, or, you know, you catch yourself at the computer if you're in a poor position for too long, and you can adjust that a bit easier because that awareness is now more front of mind.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. 100%.
So they're the sorts of things that would set yourself up for further benefits in the future. Just, you know, they're very valuable things to have on board now. Nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's interesting actually, because even like in the morning when I'm in the shower, for example, sometimes I'll find myself sort of a bit hunched forward and I'll feel the back going, and that's right at the start of the day. You know, if I recognize that and I, you know, sort of stand more upright and push the hips forward, you sort of, you almost remember that throughout the day. It gives you a better start to the day, but it's there in your mind, and you're just remembering to have that posture and just carry that forward. So it's, some good learnings there.
Great. And that's what it is, just repetition of changing little things in your lifestyle along the way. Because I often talk about, you know, these other factors that are outside of exercise and, you know, mobility, is these little lifestyle habits about how you're getting down to the ground, or how you're sitting in a chair, or how you're playing with the kids. Just the awareness is huge, and that's going to prolong your, you know, your body's longevity and resilience into the future as much as, you know, exercise does in a certain degree.
100%, mate. 100%. Yeah.
Perfect. Excellent. Well done. You got through it.
Thank you.
Like you said, you can take away all these things. You have access for a couple more weeks. So unreal. Get the most out of that, and let us know how we can help you out again in the future. Awesome, mate. I look forward to coming back in again when we can. From a financial perspective, I'll be keen to get stuck back into it, and it's been good. The learnings with Matt on a Monday night too, and the one-on-one sessions with Matt S, that is, have been really, really helpful too. Awesome. So I look forward to getting stuck back into that stuff when we can.